AI chatbots and virtual beings fundamentally differ in embodiment and multimodal capabilities. AI chatbots and virtual beings have become increasingly popular in various domains, from entertainment and customer service to AI-driven companionship. While AI chatbots focus primarily on natural language processing, NLP, to facilitate text-based conversations, virtual beings aim to replicate human-like interactions by incorporating multimodal capabilities such as visual representation, voice, and real-time animation. The distinction between the two is often blurred, leading to misconceptions about the nature and capabilities of each technology. Understanding the fundamental differences between AI chatbots and virtual beings is crucial to properly categorizing their roles, applications, and technological requirements. Despite their advanced conversational abilities, AI chatbots do not qualify as true virtual beings due to their lack of embodied presence, multimodal interaction, and adaptive real-time learning beyond text-based responses. Virtual beings differ significantly from AI chatbots by integrating lifelike visual and auditory elements, allowing for richer and more immersive interactions. This paper will explore these distinctions in depth, highlighting the key characteristics that separate AI chatbots from virtual beings and explaining why chat-based AI platforms, even those with advanced NLP, should not be mistaken for fully realized digital humans. AI chatbots are software programs that use natural language processing, NLP, to simulate human conversation, typically through text or voice-based exchanges. These chatbots are widely used in customer service, entertainment, and educational applications, where they provide automated responses and interactive dialogues based on predefined datasets. While some chatbots can generate contextually appropriate responses and retain limited memory of past interactions, their functionality remains restricted to text-based communication without the ability to express emotions or gestures in a visual form. Their primary purpose is to enhance user engagement, automate responses, and assist with information retrieval, rather than creating a fully immersive digital human experience. Virtual beings, also known as digital humans, are AI-driven entities that incorporate visual, auditory, and interactive elements to closely mimic human interactions. Unlike AI chatbots, virtual beings are designed with lifelike 3D models, facial animations, and speech synthesis, allowing them to engage users across multiple sensory channels. They can exist as virtual influencers, customer service agents, or interactive digital assistants, providing a more human-like presence in both online and immersive digital spaces. Advanced technologies such as deep learning, real-time rendering, and motion capture are used to enhance their believability and responsiveness, making them distinct from text-based AI chatbots that lack embodied interaction. One of the fundamental differences between AI chatbots and virtual beings is the presence of a visual, animated representation. AI chatbots primarily function through text or voice interfaces without a physical or digital form, whereas virtual beings integrate highly detailed 3D graphics, animations, and motion capture to create a lifelike presence. This visual embodiment enhances interaction by allowing the AI to convey emotions, facial expressions, and gestures, which significantly improves the perception of realism and engagement. Without such an embodied presence, AI chatbots remain abstract entities that lack the depth of interaction provided by virtual beings. AI chatbots operate within a single mode of communication, usually text-based and sometimes voice-enabled, which limits their ability to engage users in a natural, immersive way. In contrast, virtual beings integrate multiple sensory modes, including visual expressions, gestures, and real-time speech synthesis, creating a richer and more interactive experience. This multimodal capability allows virtual beings to interpret and respond to user emotions, adapt interactions dynamically, and simulate human-like behavior in a way that chatbots simply cannot. The absence of these features in AI chatbots restricts their capacity to function as true virtual beings, as they remain confined to text or voice interactions without deeper contextual awareness. While some AI chatbots employ machine learning techniques to improve conversational responses, they generally lack real-time adaptive learning that enables sustained, context-aware interactions across multiple modalities. Virtual beings, on the other hand, leverage AI-driven memory, emotional intelligence, and continuous adaptation to maintain a coherent and evolving digital presence. This allows them to develop more realistic, personalized interactions over time, making them more than just a reactive chatbot. Without these adaptive learning mechanisms and the ability to process real-time sensory feedback, AI chatbots are unable to function as truly intelligent and autonomous virtual beings. AI chatbots are often designed for scripted roleplay and fictional character interactions, making them popular for entertainment and gaming applications. They follow predefined behaviors, responding within specific narrative frameworks rather than dynamically adapting to real-world situations. In contrast, virtual beings serve practical purposes beyond roleplay, such as customer service, healthcare assistance, and AI-driven influencers, requiring them to engage in realistic, unscripted interactions. Their role extends beyond entertainment, integrating into real-world industries where human-like presence and behavior are essential. This difference highlights why AI chatbots, which mainly exist as role-play-driven conversational agents, do not qualify as true virtual beings. The underlying technologies used to develop AI chatbots and virtual beings are fundamentally different. AI chatbots are primarily built on NLP models like GPT, Llama, and other language-based frameworks that focus on text generation. Virtual beings, however, require a more complex integration of AI technologies, including real-time animation, facial recognition, voice synthesis, and motion capture. These additional layers of technology enable virtual beings to engage in more human-like interactions, further setting them apart from AI chatbots that rely solely on text processing. The technological gap between the two systems underscores why chatbots, despite their conversational fluency, do not possess the sophistication required to function as true digital humans. Character AI, Pygmalion AI, and ChatGPT represent some of the most well-known AI chatbot platforms, each offering interactive and engaging conversations. Character AI specializes in role-play-driven chatbot interactions, where users can create and interact with fictional or historical personalities. Pygmalion AI focuses on open-source development to enhance AI chatbot capabilities, while ChatGPT provides a general-purpose AI assistant designed for a wide range of conversational tasks. Despite their differences, all of these platforms rely solely on text-based communication and lack the embodied, multimodal engagement required to be considered virtual beings. Unlike AI chatbots, virtual beings such as IMA, Cookie, and AI-powered customer service avatars integrate visual and interactive elements that make them appear more lifelike. IMA, created by or incorporated, is a digital influencer with realistic facial animations and social media presence, while Cookie, developed by Pandora Bots, represents an attempt at combining AI chat functionality with animated avatars. Additionally, digital humans used in industrial applications, such as AI-powered customer support agents, leverage advanced real-time rendering and deep learning to deliver realistic interactions. These examples illustrate the significant technological and functional differences between AI chatbots and true virtual beings. The growing popularity of AI-driven chatbots has led to misconceptions about what constitutes a virtual being. Misrepresenting AI chatbots as virtual beings can create unrealistic expectations, particularly in industries where realistic digital-human interactions are essential. Clearly distinguishing between the two ensures proper technological classification, helps prevent misinformation, and allows for more accurate assessments of AI capabilities. The future of virtual beings lies in advancements in AI-generated animation, voice synthesis, and real-time interactive capabilities. With improvements in deep learning, digital humans will continue to evolve, enabling more lifelike interactions in marketing, customer service, education, and entertainment. As these technologies develop, virtual beings will become increasingly integrated into digital ecosystems, further distinguishing them from traditional AI chatbots.